Hello, I'm Mr. Smith and this is Learn to Code. In this short video you will learn what a program is. A program is a sequence of instructions that you give to your computer to follow and do amazing things. Programming is a mixture of science and art, and together with some creativity you will be able to make programs that range from simple games to fully featured business applications. So why use Python? Well, there's a few very good reasons. Firstly, Python is easy to use. Python is powerful. It's object-oriented. It is a glue language. It runs everywhere, Mac, PC, Linux. It has a strong community. There's always somewhere you can find some help. But best of all, it's free. And that's it. In the next video, you'll learn how to set up Python on your computer.